Austin's Yoked Tech Tip Tuesday. All right, show those yokes. Woo! Cat yokes. If you got a Cobb airbox, which is a really good mod because it keeps the hot air out of your intake, it doesn't do a whole lot of good if you have hot air coming into it. So make sure that you put your snorkel boy back in there. Just like that. And it makes it look better instead of seeing your power steering and all that. So you need the snorkel boy if you're running the airbox. I strongly recommend running the airbox if you're not running the airbox. But definitely make sure you're keeping your snorkel. That's my Tech Tip Tuesday. This one wasn't even a minute long, and it's probably the most horsepower from a Tech Tip Tuesday that I've had in a while. Little bug eye action on a Tuesday. That one's nice and clear, and that one's not so much. Polish your headlights, folks. That's also a good performance mod. Thanks for watching.